Hi student, today we are going to discussing about Raju and Rooster session 2. Second, Raju's father tried to catch King the rooster. He brought some grains of wheat and threw them on the ground. He said, "King, my dear king, come down dear and have some grains of wheat." The king did not move an inch and said, କୁକୁ ଡୁଡୁଲୁ ନ ନ ନ। ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟରେ ରାଜୁର ବାପା ରାଜାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଥିଲେ। ହି ବ୍ରଟ୍ ସମ୍ ଗ୍ରେନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ହ୍ୱିଟ୍, ସେ କିଛି ଗହମର ଦାନା ଆଣିଥିଲେ। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଥ୍ରିଉ ଦେମ୍ ଅନ୍ ଦ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ, ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଣି ଭୂଇଁରେ ବିଛାଇ ଦେଲେ। ହି ସେଡ୍, କିଙ୍ଗ ମାଇ ଡିଅର କିଙ୍ଗ କମ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ଡିଅର ଆଣ୍ଡ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ସମ୍ ଗ୍ରେନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ହ୍ୱିଟ୍, ଏବଂ ସେ କହିଥିଲେ, ରାଜା ମୋର ପ୍ରିୟ ରାଜା, ତଳକୁ ଆସ ଓ ଗହମ ଦାନା ଖାଅ। ଦ କିଙ୍ଗ ଡିଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ମୁଭ୍ ଆନ୍ ଇଞ୍ଚ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେଡ୍, କୁକୁ ଡୁଡୁଲୁ ନ ନ ନ। କିନ୍ତୁ ରାଜା ଗୋଟିଏ ଇଞ୍ଚ ମଧ୍ୟ ଘୁଞ୍ଚା ଦେଲା ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ କହିଲା, କୁକୁ ଡୁଡୁଲୁ ନା ନା ନା। Third, the grandfather tried to catch the rooster. He brought some loaves of bread and threw them on the ground. He said, "King, my dear king, come down dear and have some crumbs of rice." King did not move an inch and said, "Cuckoo doodle-doo, no, no, no." Third, the grandfather tried to catch the rooster. ତୃତୀୟରେ ଜେଜେ ସେହି ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଥିଲେ। ହି ବ୍ରଟ୍ ସମ୍ loaves of bread. ସେ କିଛି loaves of bread ମାନେ ରୁଟି ଖଣ୍ଡ ଆଣିଥିଲେ। ସେ କିଛି ରୁଟି ଖଣ୍ଡ ଆଣିଥିଲେ। and threw them on the ground, ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ଆଣି ଭୂଇଁରେ ପକାଇଲେ। He said, "King, my dear king, come down dear and have some crumbs of rice." ଏବଂ ସେ କହିଲେ, ରାଜା ମୋର ପ୍ରିୟ ରାଜା, ତଳକୁ ଆସ ଏବଂ ରୁଟିର କିଛି ଖଣ୍ଡ ଖାଇଯାଅ। King did not move an inch and said, "Cuckoo doodle-doo, no, no, no." ରାଜା ଗୋଟିଏ ଇଞ୍ଚ ମଧ୍ୟ ଘୁଞ୍ଚା ଦେଲା ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ କହିଲା, କୁକୁ ଡୁଡୁଲୁ ନା ନା ନା। Comprehension question. Who tried to catch the king next? Raju's father tried to catch the king next. How did he try? He bought some grains of wheat and threw them on the ground. He said, "King, my dear king, come down dear and have some grains of wheat." By this he tried to catch the rooster. Question number 3. Was he able to catch the rooster? No, he was not able to catch the rooster. Question number 4. Who tried next to catch the rooster? Next, Raju's grandfather tried to catch the rooster. Question number 5. Were they able to catch? No, they were not able to catch the rooster. Okay, thank you. Next session 3 पढ़िबा।